What's going on, YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the cup holders on your BMW E90 series. This is a very simple replacement. I'm actually replacing the entire cup holder assemblies just because the spring is broken on that one because I've tried repairing it myself and I broke the spring. This one still works, but you can see it has some nicks and stuff on it. And the cup holder portion, it's just covered in, I guess, old soda and stuff. All you really need is either like a little credit card, gift card, or whatever, where I'm using this like window tint squeegee, and you need a Phillips screwdriver. I'm just going to use this impact to make it faster, but I like to start in the very center with this little squeegee tool, and you know for a fact this thing's not going to hurt anything, so you just get it kind of started in this plastic trim. The center has two like pins, they're like push-in pins, and they actually have a lot of force versus the clips on the edge there. So I like to start from the center and try to get those push pins kind of loosened up first. So once you get it started in the crack, just run it all the way across. I'm going to start from the bottom. And once you get it kind of pulled out, just work your hand in it and pull out, and you can feel those two pins disconnect. So we have the center loose, so now we'll focus on the outside edges. Same thing, just get it started in the crack. And the outside ones, they pop out a lot easier. This will happen, the little pin will get stuck. But you can see there's a little channel on this trim piece. You can just slide your pin back in. So now we have just 4 Phillips screws to remove the actual cup holder assemblies. So I back these out. And once you have those screws removed, the actual cup holder assemblies just come right out, just like so. So I have the new ones, same thing, just in opposite order. You just push these back in. I bought the Amazon special carbon fiber ones just because I have a carbon fiber wrap on my trim and I like the way it looks. So once those are in place, just go ahead and put back your 4 screws, and then your trim piece will pop right back on. So your trim piece, I like to start it backwards from removal. Start the pins in first. Get them kind of just pushed in. Then once you do that, you can get these clips started. And then finish by pushing everything in. And there you go. These don't open as smooth as OEM, of course, but I mean, for $40 off Amazon, we have working cup holders. So yeah. With your old assemblies out, you can actually try to fix these. So here's the bottom of both of them here. This little channel right here, it's like a little circular pouch looking thing. That's where your little metal spring resides. As you can see, mine's gone, I broke it. And you actually have a little gear that goes in there that actually is like a reduction gear. It kind of slows down the speed of how the cup holder comes out when you press it in. You can see I have that gear still in place, but these are just a clamshell. You have these clips right here. You can use a screwdriver to separate them, like a flathead. I can actually pry these open with my hands. It's not too hard to do, but once you do that, I haven't taken apart the passenger side one, but I'm pretty sure it's the same process. But once you get the backing plate off, extend your cup holder all the way out. You have to take a screwdriver and press these two clips down, and it will actually separate these two halves. And once you do that, you can get access to where the spring actually resides. It has a little plastic clip that the spring connects to, and it's a metal spring. Matter of fact, I'll just take it apart and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, you can just pry those clips open with your hands. So the passenger side one, it's a little bit different than the driver's side. The spring is actually in the center. The spring is in the corner on the driver's side one. But anyways, here's your spring, and this little tab right here resides in a plastic little channel. You can see it has like little ears sticking off of it, and basically you can see there's a channel that this spring is supposed to go into, and it locks in place. So I don't know where this one actually, I guess it went, yeah, this one went into this housing, the backing plate. But anyways, when it breaks, what you can do is actually pull this out and try to bend the spring and make a little hook, and use that hook in place of like the ears to hold it onto the plastic housing. So when you open it, the spring, what it does, it just it rolls basically, and that's what provides all the tension. So anyways, I don't feel like setting up my tripod right now, but this video is on YouTube to show you guys how to do that if you want to attempt fixing this for free. But be very careful. This section will break off the spring if you're not careful, and then you pretty much need to replace the entire assemblies. I don't know if they sell these springs separately or not, but as cheap as the cup holders are off Amazon, like I said, I gave 40 bucks for mine. It's a fake carbon fiber print. You can actually get just your normal whatever trim color you have in your car. There's beige, gray, and black. They're cheaper. So it's really just best just to replace them completely, because like in my case, you can see like some of the soft rubber is chipping off and it just looks bad. So yeah, that's how you guys replace your cup holders on a BMW E90. This should work on all the 90 series, like the coupes, the E92, E93, and the E91 wagons. But as always guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.